Kazalelia, and welcome to our channel. Come over. Okay, you see this? The most important plant on the island. It's called Sagam. In English Spanish, we call it Saba.
Okay, sir, how do you feel about this waterfall?
This is
5-star, 4-star, 3-star, whatever you call it. It's up to you. Look at it like the way you look at the water from falling from the sky all the way down to the bottom, to the water floor. What do you see? How do you
what
feel
I see
about
is
it?
10 star.